Hello children, welcome back to computer summary video. Today we are going to see the summary about the fourth chapter, that is personalizing Windows 8.1. Okay, so first thing, what we have installed that Windows we need to check in our computer. So everyone we will be installing Windows 7 or Windows 8. So after installing we need to use that, right? So how we are going to use? So we need to change some desktop appearance, or we can change date and time, or we can set some mouse pointers difference like that, right? And we had an interactive session, and we have conducted many practical classes regarding this chapter, right? Yes. So first thing what we saw, first thing desktop. So in the desktop what we saw, we need to change the desktop background. We can see icons in the desktop. So many icons, small icons will be there na? Those pictures are called as icons. And next thing we saw the taskbar. At the bottom of the window we can see the taskbar where the start button will be there. Okay, and start button, what is the use of start button? So we can see many files in the start button, right? Where what we need to work we can see in the start button. And next thing is notification area. So suddenly if your antivirus got over, so the notification area will be displaying one message, your antivirus date has been invalid, like that. So suddenly your laptop got charged nil. So what happened? Again one message will be coming, please charge your laptop, like that. So every notification will be displayed in the notification area. And next thing, we need to change the appearance of the Windows, right? So what we do, we will be going right click in the desktop, personalize option, so we can see how the appearance in the desktop. So we will be having many slides there. So you can select any one of the slide and you can set one background for your computer, right? And next thing, we can save the screen also by fitting the timings. We can save the screen saver. So what it happens, automatically the screen will be get animated and the screen will be changing for 5 to 10 seconds or 5 to 15 seconds. We can set the time. Each time whenever we see the desktop, automatically the screen will be changing. Okay, this is called screensaver. And show desktop. In show desktop what it happens, whatever the files we are keeping or we are working, we can see in the show desktop option. Okay, and next search button. So in the search button, whatever file or whatever document we need to search, means we need to go for start button, then there is a search option. So you can type a search option, search name or a file or a folder, you can type that names and you can search for that. Okay, and next thing, you can arrange the icons in the taskbar according to sizes or according to names, many things you can do. Okay, next is we can change the mouse settings also. So if we need only one pointer, we can give as a arrow mark, or we can give a many arrow marks that when we move the mouse pointer, so many arrow marks we can see. And we had a practical session regarding this, right? So kindly practice this. And next one is setting date and time. So what we will do, we will be setting date and time, right? And we can change the calendars also. If we need to do anything important, we can set the calendar that this is the birthday date or this the time I need to submit, like that we can set and we can give the message to notification area. So particular day what it happens, it will be giving message in the notification area, right? And we had a practical session regarding this and all. And we can change the gadgets and all in the monitor screen. So whatever difference we can make in the appearance of the Windows screen, we can change everything. Okay, so fine children, this is the summary of this personalizing Windows 8.1. that is how we are going to use this personalizing Windows. Okay, so from starting to ending, we need to work on the desktop, not in files. So we can change everything according to our wish. So try to have in your home. Please practice this. Okay, I hope you all understood. Thank you children. Let us meet in next video.